Since you clicked on this video, it means you're trying to get into affiliate marketing. And you know, the biggest factor towards your success is the niche you pick. Because if you pick wrong, your business will fall apart sooner than you get started. A, you may find a niche you like but has zero profitability, or B, you try to find a profitable niche for weeks with no success and live completely overwhelmed and disappointed. If that sounds like you, no worries, I've been there too. I have tried all the classic strategies like looking at my experiences, my skills, or at least my interest. I even downloaded tens of most profitable niches PDFs to no success. Just got more overwhelmed as a complete beginner who just want to make money to live a little better life and not spend weeks on trying to figure out what my niche is. Only until I discovered counterintuitive approach that helped me to find my niche literally in less than 15 minutes. And that's what I'm about to show you in this video. So today I'm going to help you to cut down the chase and walk you through the process of finding the best affiliate marketing niche that aligns with your interest. Most beginners don't even know what niche is, and it turns out to be the most crucial business decision that you have to make. Your entire business will depend on the niche's profitability, scalability, demand, and variety, as in how many specific sub-niches you can branch from it. So in this video, we'll talk about the most profitable niches of 2024, how to identify them, your target audience, and what kind of specific products or services you can promote for each niche, and step-by-step guide to find them with actual examples that you can use right away. Basically, if you had to watch just one video about finding the perfect niche for your online business, this is it. By the end, no matter your experience level, you can find your winning niche in just 15 minutes. And who knows, maybe it gets so simple that you never have to do it again. Trust me, I've got so many unexpected surprises like this for you in this video, and most importantly, the ultimate niche research strategy I guarantee you have never heard of before. So keep watching to find out. So first, for those of my folks who still don't know what a niche exactly is, I got you. You don't need to embarrass yourself and make the same mistake as me. Basically, niche is just a fancy term used to describe a focused area that caters to a particular group of people with shared interests, needs, or desires. Instead of trying to sell everything to everyone, you focus on selling things to a specific audience like cat lovers, fitness enthusiasts, people who love gardening, etc, etc. But why does everyone keep talking about how important it is? That's because in almost all business models, niche research is the first step of the process. You will get nowhere if you don't know who you are selling to. And it helps you in so many ways, like target audience. This is so that you can pinpoint your ideal customer and tailor your content and promotions according to them instead of just uploading random stuff. Then less competition. If you choose a specific area, the fluff sellers and the competition will automatically cut down. You can tap into a niche with low competition and high demand to get access to a pure profit. Then higher engagement. This can also lead to higher click-through rates because you are talking about something unique, ultimately leading to more sales and more income. And lastly, leading authority. You can become an expert by specializing in a niche. This can help you to build trust with your audience and position yourself as a reliable authority for that category. Like you have seen Iman Gadzhi take over the agency business model. Then Liam Oatley is becoming the top voice for AI automation. Drew Binsky is leading the travel niche. And it's exactly how I have established an audience in affiliate marketing by practicing and teaching it to over 5,000 students worldwide. Now, make no mistake, niche marketing is used by almost every business regardless of their size or industry. For example, a bookstore might specialize in rare first editions or sci-fi books. A clothing store might focus on sustainable fashion or plus-size clothing. A consulting firm might specialize in a particular industry such as real estate, finance, or tech. And it's the same for affiliate marketing. You target a focused audience interested in a topic and sell them something related to their interest. Now that we've gone over niche introduction 101, let's get down to the actual business. What are the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing in 2024, and more importantly, why? To tell you the truth, in my 4 years of affiliate marketing, I have tried almost all niches out there, and these have the most income potential according to my experience and the latest market trends. First up, we have tech. Like, come on, can you imagine the world without technology? Probably no, and with the rising AI revolution, it has become a goldmine for affiliate marketers. It's a crazy $4 trillion market, continuously expanding, growing, and evolving. Here, affiliate marketers can make up to $50,000 per month just by promoting apps, software, SaaS, web templates, IT training and coaching, and even AI prompts. For example, you can promote AI bots for a 50% commission and make $200 per sale. Moving on to finance.
I'm looking for a man in finance.
You know what they say, to make money, follow the money. Okay, maybe I said that, but the demand for it in this field is endless. Everyone wants to manage their finances and find more opportunities to generate income, especially with the rising living costs and expenses. In fact, the entire online money-making side of YouTube can fall under this category. You can promote ebooks, guides, services, consultations, coachings, and many more. And you can easily make around $40,000 per month here. But I know that finance can be boring for some of you. So let's spice things up. Moving on to travel. Who thought promoting cheap tickets would make you 13 to 20 grand monthly? Oh yes, people are generating full-time income by doing this. That's because people are traveling now more than ever for business, education, pleasure, or tourism. No wonder the traveling industry is over $7 trillion now. It covers hotels, flights, city tours, luggage, travel insurance, travel guides, etc. And you can promote any single one. Like this account has around 500,000 followers and directing all its traffic to the link in the bio where it's promoting hotel deals in the Netherlands. You can do this for anywhere, even promote multiple things inside of your bio with this account, but they have to be in the same niche. Moving on to another blowing up in 2024, health and fitness. Would you believe me if I told you this niche is 4,000 years old? And even today, it generates some of the highest profits in any global market. And that may be because over 70% of adults are either overweight or obese, and thanks to rising self-care trends in 2024, which is at all-time high right now, everyone is into lifestyle changes to improve their health and well-being. And honestly, this is one of the few positive trends that I can get behind. Now, the industry has grown to over 3.7 trillion, and as affiliate marketer, you can get a significant share of this value. And the best part is that this niche has so many subtopics that you can become the leading authority and recommend similar affiliate products or services like for yoga, meditation, weight loss, keto diets, detox, mental health, and many more. Heck, I can make a whole separate video on this. Maybe I should. Tell me in the comments if you would be interested in that. Now finally, coming over to my favorite niche, education or e-learning. This is something I'm currently into and you could call it my main niche, and frankly, I have made significant income from it. Like right now, this video that you are watching comes under e-learning, and if I add an affiliate link to any related apps or platform subscription in the description, I can easily use videos like this to generate traffic and make money. And this niche is evergreen because the audience wants to learn things without going through long degrees and years of college debt. They would even be willing to invest thousands of dollars in online learning as long as it offers genuine value. And you can help them by connecting them with high-quality courses, ebooks, guides, mentorships, etc. with the proven results, and you can get paid in commissions if they purchase with your affiliate link. Win-win situation. But hold on for a second. Let's be honest for a minute here. You have probably heard about all of them before. This was maybe nothing new. Every online guru on YouTube is talking about these niches, and they are not even wrong. These niches are profitable, right? This is where things get complicated. These niches do have insane earning potential, but they're all missing the point. Most people think finding the right niche is the key to success in affiliate marketing, and I don't blame them because I used to think exactly like that. When I started doing affiliate marketing 4 years ago, I was trying niches left, right, and center, even these same ones that now make me $50,000 to $60,000 per month. Back then though, they were a total failure. I had only made about $150 in my first 3 months of business, and I didn't know what I was doing wrong. One thing for sure though, I couldn't just pick one niche to base my entire business on. As a beginner, all the gurus tell you to go through a list of profitable niches and pick one that you are interested in. But I wasn't just interested in one thing, at least to the point where I could base my entire business on it, especially at my experience level. I'm sure I'm not the only ones who likes multiple things and struggle with choosing just one niche. Even if I could decide on the perfect niche ever, the truth is even the most profitable ones can be a dead end. You might spend months researching a high conversion niche only to find out that the trend has shifted or the competition has caught up. So what should you do instead? That's the main strategy no one has told you before, but I will. If you want to break free from the niche chasing cycle and earn real money, focus on finding the right product. I call it the backward approach, and this was a breakthrough in my business that led me from making $300 in 3 months to $10,000 in the next 3 months. But I won't lie to you, I only learned this after investing thousands of dollars in mentors, and they told me this stuff nobody else in the market tells you about. In fact, I made a complete 1-hour video on all the underrated lessons I have learned through them and my 4 years of experience in affiliate marketing. You can check it out on my channel. The thing is, many affiliate marketers focus on finding the perfect niche first and then try to find products within that niche. In this strategy, you are basically reverse engineering the process. You look directly for a product instead of wasting time on niche research. Seriously, there is no point in going through all the niches because a winning affiliate product or service, for that matter, can make money regardless of the niche. It can save you months of time and energy, as the right product can generate income in as little as 1 to 2 weeks of setup. And the best part is that everything we discussed before about the profitable niches still applies. You still get all the benefits of niche marketing because it comes automatically with the product. You are not just hyper-focusing on a category, and trust me, that can be a game changer. After you select affiliate program, you can tap into its target audience, create content customized for them, scale to a specific sub-niche, and become its leading authority. So your approach should be always looking for the right product. You might be thinking, first, I had to spend time on niche research, and now I have to do the same to identify a product. Well, you don't have to. I've got a checklist that can shorten your process to just 15 minutes. First, go to any online affiliate platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, PartnerStack, etc. They have a collection of thousands of products and services that you can promote right away without any upfront cost and wait time. All you need to do is create your account and you are good to go. So let's take the example of Digistore24. When you create your account, you are welcomed by your dashboard. It shows you your total earnings and even how much money you are making daily. Right now, probably for you, it's all empty, so let's talk about how you will fill it up. Go to Marketplace and you will see product categories on the left-hand side. But before you start selecting randomly, you need to consider some things. Your ideal product should have this. First things first, it should be digital product. You can also promote physical products, but I generally find digital products more suitable for an online affiliate marketing business, especially for a beginner. There is no delivery and all the customers will have to do is just give their email and receive a link to download it in their inbox or sometimes directly. To see an example, let's go to the digital products category. Here you can see multiple niches. You can just open any, like I'm going with education. You can find their various ebooks, guides and video courses you can recommend to your audience. They don't need to be shipped, they can just be downloaded in one click. The second thing you need is a problem-solving product. Most of these products right here are just random learning materials, not something your audience actually needs. Whatever product you promote should solve your target audience's real problem or pain point. For example, these fitness videos are a great option because people want to lose weight or gain muscle, improving their health or quality of life. But you have to make sure it also has high demand. Like this product teaches how to make rugs, but you won't have a massive traffic in this niche because not many people are actively looking for it. On the other hand, almost every person you know is looking to get fitter, and the demand for video fitness classes has grown by over 300% post-COVID. So we can say for sure that this product is in high demand. Moving on, one of the most important things to consider for product selection: high ticket opportunity. Primarily focus on products with higher price points as they offer higher commission. Let's say if I would go for this product costing $2, $3, $5 or $10, I would make pennies in commissions. Even after 500 sales in a month, which honestly is pretty hard for a beginner, you would only make like $500. On the other hand, high price products like this or this can make me more money in less sales. Only 5 would make you your first $1,000 in a month. Then next, make sure you can create different types of content to promote your affiliates. As for fitness videos, we have literally endless options. You can offer a free workout plan, share success stories, before-after images, nutrition tips, quick exercises for a specific body part, recovery tips, and so many more. You can also go through the product affiliate support page or sales asset sections. Some of them offer resources that you can use, making your job as an affiliate marketer a lot easier. Then another thing is positive audience response. This is crucial because sometimes on paper the product may look 10 out of 10, but maybe it's not satisfying the users or there is a lot of scope for improvement. To verify that, always go through customers' reviews. You can also look for this program directly on Google and see what people have to say. And this also brings another golden opportunity. Sometimes people mention how the product can be better or what issues they have with it. You can use this information to look for a competitor product that offers solutions for it to achieve higher conversion. Speaking of that, you also need to have high conversion rate. This basically means the percentage of people who clicks on your affiliate links and then take the action you want, like making a purchase. For example, if 100 people visit your page and 10 people purchase, your conversion rate is 10%. Usually, conversion rates are around 1 to 2%, so anywhere over 5-10% is a good number to go for. Moving on to recurring revenue. This is optional, but consider products with recurring subscription models to boost your profits and establish establish a long-term income, so that whenever a customer who bought a product subscription using your affiliate links renews, you can keep getting commission from it. Take NordVPN. It pays up to 100% commission for the first subscription, followed by a 30% revenue share on all renewed plans. And finally, gut feeling. That's how you will find the right product to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. I also want to mention that it's not important that the ideal opportunity is only available on these digital market platforms. You can even go for independent affiliate programs. Every rising, leading brand, product, service, and platform now has them now, like Zara, Lululemon, Shopify, Lego, Etsy, TripAdvisor, Coursera, and many more. Some of these independence programs only have a commission rate of 5 to 10%, so make sure you'll be looking for higher income opportunities. For example, TripAdvisor offers a minimum of 50% commission, and SEMrush offers $200 per sale, meaning you can make $2,000 monthly with just 10 sales. If you want to, you can even search your favorite brands on Google to see if they offer an affiliate program. That way, you would be even more passionate about promoting them and have a personal experience making your recommendation. Trust me, forget everything you've heard about niche research until now. A good product is all you need to start, and that is the crux of this video. But I'm not ending the video here. As I promised you before, I have 3 examples of profitable affiliate options you can promote right after watching this video. First, Kinsta Affiliates. This WordPress hosting company caters to agencies, developers, tech providers, online educators, content publishers, and basically everyone who wants to use WordPress for blogging. This is your target audience. You can Google companies and individuals in this category, send them an email explaining how Kinsta can help them, and add your affiliate link, and that's how you can make up to $500 with just one sale. Not to mention additional 5 to 10% of lifetime commissions. Second one, Cube Mastery and Monetization. This is online YouTube automation course that pays a 50% commission, which according to its prices comes out at around $300 per sale. It also has some excellent resources you can use like VSL, short form content, long form templates, student results, etc. And you can find this one on Digistore24. Just copy the promo link and you are set to promote it on social media, blogs, videos, whatever you want, even the paid ads. And third one, Teachable. Like we discussed before, the e-learning trend is fast rising in 2024, so people want to find out more platforms like it's Teachable where they can directly access tutors, learning materials, and online courses. You can join this platform to recommend any online courses and get paid a 30% commission plus recurring revenue for up to 1 year. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to take the first step to your affiliate business. I know this video started as a guide for niche research but ended up on product research. That's exactly what I wanted to teach you, because everyone hyper-focuses on the niche, forgetting that the main thing you are recommending is the actual product, not the niche. If it's not promotable or doesn't provide any solutions, it will be useless no matter how profitable the niche actually is. Don't get me wrong, niche marketing is important, but with this approach, niche will come up automatically with the product and you don't have to worry about deciding or wasting months in the wrong category. And if you start getting your hands dirty with it, you realize that finding a product is far easier than going through millions of different niches. Plus, with the checklist I have given you, your work is cut out for you. So what are you waiting for? Get started, and happy product hunting to you. And if you really want to get started with affiliate marketing and you believe it will be much faster with a coach, what I absolutely agree with, then don't forget to check the first link down below in the description, where you can find the link to my 3-day masterclass or the membership, where I'm going to be personally guiding you on getting your first affiliate sale and even growing to $10,000 in the most effective way. But no pressure, if you are interested, just check it out. But for this video, this was everything from me. Wishing you a fantastic day and see you in the next one.